Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Stories for Beginners channel. I am so happy you are here today.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Lisa. I am very happy today, too. I have a big smile on my face.
I can see that, Mike. You look very energetic. Did you have a good morning?
Oh, I had a wonderful morning, Lisa. I woke up, I saw the beautiful sun, and I had a very big cup of coffee.
Coffee? Again? You always have coffee, Mike. Is it your favorite drink?
Yes, it is my fuel. It is warm, it is black, and it makes my brain go beep, beep. Time to work.
I understand. I am drinking green tea today. It is very calm and healthy.
Green tea is good, but coffee is king. Anyway, Lisa, you look very nice today. Are you ready for our chat?
I am very ready, Mike. But wait, before we start our big conversation, we have to talk to our friends at home.
Oh, you are right. Everyone, thank you for listening to us. We love your support.
Yes, and if you like our stories, please click the like button right now. It helps us so much.
And please subscribe. Click that red button. We want to make 100, 200, maybe 1,000 more videos for you.
1,000 videos? That is a lot of talking, Mike.
We can do it. And don't forget to share this with your friends who are learning English.
Exactly. Learning is more fun with friends. Okay, Mike, now that we asked for likes and subscribes, let's get started.
So, Lisa, what is our special topic for today? I am very curious.
Today, Mike, we are going to talk about something everyone does. We are talking about cooking.
Cooking? Oh my goodness, that is a very dangerous topic for me.
Dangerous? Why do you say that, Mike? Do you hate the kitchen?
No, I love the kitchen. I love food. But the problem is, I am not a very good cook.
That's okay. Most people are beginners at cooking, just like they are beginners at English.
That is true. Cooking is a skill. You have to practice every day to get better.
Exactly. Today, we will talk about cooking together, simple recipes, and maybe some funny mistakes.
I have many mistakes to share. My kitchen is a place of mystery and sometimes smoke.
Oh no. Well, this is great for our listeners. They can learn food words and kitchen words today.
Yes, it is perfect for A1 and B1 learners. We will use simple words and talk slowly.
Wonderful. Are you ready to go into our English kitchen, Mike?
I am ready. I have my apron on and my spoon ready. Let's go.
You have an apron on? I can't see it, but I believe you. So, Mike, let's start with a story.
Okay, let me tell you about my first time making an omelet. Do you like omelets, Lisa?
I love them. Eggs, cheese, maybe some onions. It is a perfect breakfast.
Yes, I thought it was simple. I had 3 eggs, some salt, and a pan.
Okay, those are the basic ingredients. Ingredients is a good word, right, Mike?
Oh yes, ingredients are the things you need to make the food. My ingredients were eggs and salt.
So what happened? Did you fry the eggs in the pan?
Well, I put the pan on the stove. I turned on the heat, then I broke the eggs.
Did you put the eggs inside the pan or on the stove?
Inside the pan, Lisa. I am not that crazy. But I forgot one thing.
What did you forget? The oil or the butter?
I forgot the butter. The eggs started to stick to the pan. They became very black.
Oh no, burnt eggs. That is a classic cooking disaster.
But that is not the worst part, Lisa. I also dropped a piece of the eggshell into the pan.
An eggshell? Oh, Mike, that is very crunchy.
Yes, I tried to eat it and I went crunch, crunch. It was a very bad breakfast.
Oh my goodness, Mike. You need to be more careful when you break eggs.
I know. Now I use a small bowl to break the eggs first, then I put them in the pan.
That is a great tip. Using a bowl is very smart. Bowl is another good kitchen word.
Exactly. So Lisa, what about you? Are you the cooking queen?
Not really. I had a big disaster last month with pasta.
Pasta? But pasta is the easiest thing in the world. You just boil water, right?
That is what I thought. I wanted to make a spicy tomato pasta.
Spicy. I love spicy food. Did you use chili peppers?
Yes, I used chili peppers, but I didn't know they were very, very hot.
Oh no. Did you put a lot of them in the sauce?
I put 5 chilies in the pot. I thought 5 is a good number. I like 5.
5 chilies? Lisa, that is way too many for one person.
I know. I boiled the pasta, I made the sauce, then I tasted it.
And was it delicious or was your mouth on fire?
My mouth was a volcano, Mike. I started crying. I had to drink 3 glasses of milk.
3 glasses of milk? That is hilarious. You made a fire pasta.
Yes, now I only use half of a chili. Lesson learned, check the spice level.
That is a very good lesson. Spicy is a word everyone should know.
Yes, and boil too. You boil water for pasta and tea.
Right. I boil water every morning for my coffee. It is my favorite sound. Glug, glug, glug.
You and your coffee. So, Mike, tell me another story. Have you tried making a salad?
Oh, yes. I tried to make a super salad for my sister's birthday.
A salad is healthy. You need to chop a lot of vegetables, right?
Yes, chop is the word. I had lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots.
That sounds like a lot of chopping. Did you use a sharp knife?
I used a very big knife. I felt like a professional chef. I was dicing the carrots.
Wait, Mike, what does dice mean? Is it different from chop?
Good question. Chop is just cutting. Dice means cutting into very small squares.
Oh, I see. Dicing is more difficult. So was the salad beautiful?
Well, it was a mess. I chopped the lettuce, but I made the pieces too big.
Like giant leaves? Did people have to eat it like a rabbit?
Yes, and then I forgot to wash the tomatoes. My sister saw a little bit of dirt.
Oh no, Mike. Washing your vegetables is the most important part.
I know. I felt so embarrassed. I had to wash the whole salad in a big bowl of water.
At least the salad was clean in the end. Did you add any dressing?
I used olive oil and lemon. It was simple, but it tasted okay.
Olive oil and lemon is a classic. It is very fresh. Fresh is a nice word for food.
Yes, fresh vegetables are the best. Now I always wash everything 2 times.
That is a good habit. You are becoming a better cook, Mike.
Slowly, Lisa, very slowly. What about your next recipe? What is something simple you like?
Well, when I am tired, I like to make a perfect sandwich.
A sandwich? That is not cooking, Lisa. That is just putting things on bread.
No, Mike. A perfect sandwich is an art. You need the right layers.
Layers? Like a building?
Yes. First, you have the bread. I like whole grain bread.
Okay, whole grain is good. Very healthy. What goes on next?
Then you spread some mayonnaise or mustard. Spread is a good verb, Mike.
Oh, spread. Like when you put butter on toast?
Exactly. You spread it thinly, then you add the lettuce, the tomato, and some ham or cheese.
I like to add a lot of cheese. 3 slices of cheese for Mike.
Of course. And then you close the sandwich with another piece of bread.
Do you cut it into triangles or squares? This is a very important question.
Triangles. Always triangles. They taste better. I don't know why, but it's true.
I agree. Triangles feel more fancy.
Exactly. It is a simple meal, but it makes me happy.
That is the best thing about cooking. It makes people happy.
That's true. Even if you make a mistake, you can laugh about it.
Like my crunchy omelet or your fire pasta. We are a great team.
We are. But Mike, I heard you have a secret ingredient. Is that true?
Oh yes, I have one secret ingredient that makes everything taste better.
Really? What is it? Is it a special spice from a faraway country?
No, Lisa, it is not a spice. My secret ingredient is butter.
Butter? That is not a secret, Mike. Everyone knows butter is delicious.
No, but I put butter in everything. I put it in my rice, I put it on my steak, I even put a little in my soup.
In your soup? Mike, that is a lot of fat.
But it adds so much flavor. Flavor is the taste of the food.
Yes, butter does have a lot of flavor, but you must be careful with your health.
I know. I only use a little bit, but it makes the food feel very rich.
Rich is a good word for food. It means it has a strong, deep flavor.
Exactly. My mother always said, a little butter makes the world better.
Your mother is a very smart woman, Mike.
She is a great cook. I learned everything from her, especially the mistakes.
Well, I think we have talked a lot about cooking. Do you feel hungry now?
Oh, I am starving. Starving is a great word. It means I am very, very hungry.
I am starving too. Maybe we should go and cook something together.
Yes, but please, Lisa, you handle the chilies. I don't want a fire in my mouth.
And you handle the eggs, Mike. But please, no shells.
Deal. No shells and no fire. Just a perfect, simple meal.
That sounds wonderful. Cooking together is a great way to spend time with friends.
It really is. And it is a great way to practice English, too.
Yes, you can name all the things in your kitchen. This is a pan. This is a spoon.
I do that. I talk to my fridge. I say, "Hello, fridge. I am looking for some milk."
Mike, you are so funny. But that is actually a very good way to learn.
It is. My fridge doesn't judge me. It just stays cold and listens.
Well, I hope our listeners try that. Talk to your kitchen.
Yes. Tell your stove that you are boiling some water. It helps your brain think in English.
That is a perfect tip. Think in English while you live your life.
Exactly. Okay, Lisa, I think I hear my stomach growling. Grumble, grumble.
That means it is time for our recap. Let's review the words we used today.
Oh, I love the word tour. It helps me remember everything.
Me too. Let's think about the words we used. The first one is ingredients.
Ingredients. Those are the things we need to cook, like eggs, flour, and sugar.
Right. And then we have the recipe, the instructions for the food.
Yes, I need a recipe for everything. I can't cook without one.
That's okay. And what about the verbs? We talked about chop.
Chop. To cut things into pieces, like chopping onions. Don't cry, Mike.
And we also learned dice, cutting things into small squares.
Dice. It is like a game, but with carrots.
Exactly. Then we had boil and fry.
Boil is for water and pasta. Fry is for the pan with a little bit of oil or butter.
Yes, your favorite. We also talked about stir.
Oh, I remember. Stir is when you move the spoon around in the pot.
Right. It helps the food cook evenly. And don't forget delicious.
Delicious. That is the best word. It means the food tastes great.
And the opposite of delicious, maybe disaster?
Yes, like my black eggs, a total cooking disaster.
We also used words to describe taste, like salty, spicy, and rich.
Spicy is hot, like chilies. Salty is like the ocean. And rich is deep and full of flavor.
Very good, Mike. And we learned starving for when you are very hungry.
I am still starving, Lisa. Let's finish the word tour quickly.
Okay. We also mentioned some kitchen tools like pan, bowl, and spoon.
And the fridge where we keep the milk and the cold things.
Perfect. Those are a lot of words for today. Our listeners are doing a great job.
Yes, you are all superheroes, learning English and cooking at the same time.
It is very impressive. Remember, everyone, it's okay to make mistakes.
Exactly. Mistakes are just the salt of learning. They make it interesting.
What a poetic thought, Mike. The salt of learning. I love it.
Thank you. I am a poet and I didn't know it.
Okay, Mike, before you start writing more poems, we have a question for our friends.
Oh, yes, our homework question. I love reading the comments.
Me too. So everyone, here is our question for today. Do you like cooking? And what is your favorite simple recipe?
Oh, that is a great question. Tell us in English. You can say, "I like to cook pasta," or "My favorite food is a sandwich."
Yes, please write to us. We want to know about your kitchen adventures.
And tell us if you have any funny cooking disasters too. We can laugh together.
Yes, please share those. It makes us very happy.
Well, Lisa, I think it is time for me to go find some food. My stomach is very loud now.
Go ahead, Mike. Go and make a rich and delicious meal.
I will. Thank you for the great chat, Lisa. It was very fun.
It was wonderful. Thank you, everyone, for listening to Daily English Stories for Beginners.
Yes, thank you. Remember to keep going and stay curious about English.
You are doing a fantastic job. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy cooking.
Goodbye. See you soon.